I'm Anna Bayonge from Uganda, and I'm presenting the Plastic in Rubber Art Girl project. It's a social enterprise, and we're looking at addressing the challenge of poor waste disposal in Kampala and most of the neighboring central districts of Uganda.
We are working towards the following sustainable development goals: no poverty through providing employment opportunities, clean water and sanitation by discouraging the littering of waste in water points, industry, innovation and infrastructure, life below water and life on land. In Kampala and its neighboring districts, more than 4,000 tons of waste are poorly disposed of annually, according to NEMA. Waste are littered on roads and also in drainage systems, leading to the pollution and degradation of wetlands. Through this Art Girl project, we strongly believe that we can address this challenge because these wastes can act as raw materials. From rubber, we can get ottoman seats, rubber shoes, mirror frames, bangles, etc. We can get both interior and exterior design bottles and flower vases from plastics, while we can also use polythene to make raincoats, jackets and waterproof bags. We are going to create jobs for the unemployed people, for example the waste collectors, tailors, shoemakers, painters, artists and carpenters. We shall greatly reduce the pollution of both land and water, and on the same note we shall notify people other uses of waste. For example, old rubber tires can be used for construction and for farming. We shall have our customers access our products and services from art and craft shops, online, trade shows and exhibition, and special orders for customized and personalized products. We are to create long-lasting and new products with pocket-friendly prices and discounts onto the market. After some time, we look at developing into one of the leading art gallery in Africa with various products out of plastic, rubber and polythene wastes. We shall look at attracting international market and also employing over 200 workers covering the most affected areas in Uganda. We shall join the government of Uganda through NEMA plus other recycling companies to fight environment degradation, and also join the Tuve Kavera campaign to sensitize people the disadvantages of poor waste disposal.